Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome to this full update here on Solana. Wanted to do a full update. We're about to start a new week, of course. We had quite a lot of news regarding the crypto markets and Solana specifically as well last week, so I just wanted to kind of give you my thoughts on the current situation, and then primarily spend some time talking about the potential breakout, right? Because this breakout is basically what we've been talking about for the entirety of last week, and then I'm talking about the breakout above our main resistance level here between 260 and 265. We had one sort of fake out above that Friday after the ETF news and the CME group listing news, that type of stuff. So bit of a fake out. We did not really break out, as you can see. I mean, the 4-hour time frame here just closed at around the main resistance level. But the big question is well, can we still break out? And I think the answer, this is going to sound a bit confusing, but I think the answer is yes. I do think we can break out, but on the short term, I do not expect that breakout. And that's for multiple reasons. First of all, fundamentally, I think Solana is still to at least for crypto standards, undervalued. All right. I think I don't think the Solana ETF is priced in. I don't think in general the Trump administration is priced in for Solana. So therefore, I still do think that we can break out. But on the short term, what you need to break out is some sort of momentum. And if you take a look at the volume right now, of course it's a weekend, so it's going to drop down. But it has been dropping down quite a bit for the entirety of last week. So we've been losing momentum. We gained a little bit of momentum on Friday after the news, of course, but that also disappeared as soon as we hit that resistance level, which means, or at least is an indication to me, that the volume, the momentum is not strong enough to actually break through. And then if you take a look at the open interest here, like again, this is basically leveraged momentum. It's not bad, but it's also not increasing anymore. It's kind of consolidating, kind of ranging, and we need that to break out. And that confirmation for me that it's not growing or it's not strong enough, in combination of what I know of next week, which we have on Wednesday, the interest rate decision coming up in a press conference afterwards, which historically causes the crypto market to de-risk a little bit and therefore drop down. Therefore, I would say it's most likely that we will drop down to the bottom of the kind of range of the area which we are in, right here at 230 and 220, which, by the way, if we actually get a good reaction from that level, which I will surely monitor, and I'll surely keep you updated on that as well, I think that's an amazing buy area. Because like I said, I think fundamentally Solana is still undervalued. And if you take a look at things like the total value locked or the DEX trading volumes, they've also increased still after the Trump meme coin listing last week. They're still much higher. I mean, the DEX trading volumes are almost doubled still at this moment, even though they've already decreased much more from the highs. And the TVL is still the same. It's still at $11.7 billion. So yeah, therefore, short term, what I would say is most likely, and I do have one more thing to add. What we saw last time with the FOMC is that we had some sort of leveraged fake breakout before dropping down. That is a possibility as well, right? I will keep you updated on this if I actually think that like we could move into 270, 280. But if we do, and I'll keep you updated on this, but it's most likely going to be some sort of a fake move, draw longers in before dropping, de-risking and dropping down into 230 and 220. So be aware of that, be careful for that. And ultimately, like I said, I would say this is the most likely direction and the most likely scenario. But those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Hopefully I'll see you all in my next videos. But for now, have a great Sunday. Take care and bye.